This is stupid. Welcome back, everybody, to a new episode. We are entering the elevator of doom. We completed part 1 of Echo Base as we got to power on the generators and figure out this puzzle. It's not really a puzzle, but you know, it's a tedious task. God, I hate these auto guns. They do so much damage. Is there health back there? Yes. Whoop whoop. Alright, I hear probe droids. Why? I don't even understand. It's like a waste of Imperial resources at this point to have probe droids just like scanning around Echo Base. Like, it doesn't make any sense to me! Here we go. Oh, here. Oh my goodness! Oh, come on. Dash auto aim. Come on. Gosh. You could really tell it's a Star Wars property when everyone just like fucking blindly shoots at each other. So I do think there are jump dash. Jump! God damn it! I do, yeah, there it is. Woo! And I do think, whoop. Wow, that jump. Look at that fucking hang. Like, obviously gravity. I know, like, gravity can be different on, like, the planets we go to in the Star Wars universe. But, like, that fucking hang. Like, I wish I could jump like that. That's some fucking zero gravity shit right there. Alright, here we go. Also, I said I wasn't going to swear. Where is he? Okay, let's jump. Ugh! We did it! More health. Perfect. Challenge point. Yeah, so in this game too, your lives like follow you. So, the less you die, the more lives you have. The more you die, obviously, the less lives you get to carry on. Goodbye, my little friend. Oh! Oh, that one hurt because you made Dash go, oh! Dash has like the manliest, like, so like in video games you always hear like, Dash was like, oh! He took it to the chest. Like, man. He is arguably like the manliest fucking Star Wars character. I will always argue. Him and like sometimes Kyle Katarn. Because like Kyle Katarn from like the original Dark Forces starts off as like this like brutish like mercenary guy. But at other times like he's like, look at me. I'm reformed. And skinnier and not muscly. I hate you! Alright, okay, yes. Oh, I remember these challenge points. So that doesn't work. But in here, there is a challenge point. And will we do it? Fuck you, Dash! Oh! Oh, wait, you can do it this way. Oh, okay, look at that! Wow. I totally thought it was, like, you had to hop around on, like, the pillars, not, like, the other way. But, oh, this is a different generator. How am I going to get back up? How am I going to do this, guys? Let's go. Oh! I hate platforming. Oh, baby. We regained the life we lost, so... Oh, now I have to, what, get there? But they put a post there on purpose? Ah! No! I don't even see it down there. No, I don't think they would have one down there, would they? Curiosity killed the cat. Ow! I'll be really annoyed. Oh, okay. Oh, there was one! Intuition! And then we had to jump and then do it all over again. God, is this like the platforming episode or something? Like, here we go. Woompas Woompas were the last episode, but there we go. Oh, we did it! We did it without dying, everybody! Woo! Here we go. Okay. Up we go. I think we're going to like the control station. Die, 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 die! Return to the... Die! Imagine you're just a stormtrooper and a guy came in and he just enters the room and always starts yelling, die, 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 die. Like, it would be so fucking intimidating. There you go.
Find your way to the ship.
Let's go. Let's get out of this place. We don't need it no more. I thought my game froze. It's like, Jesus. Die, 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 die. Oh, this is the hard part. Okay. So this is a challenge point that always, like, I had a hard time with. Because you'll see in a few seconds what happens. So you have to arguably wait for the challenge point to show up. And I can't remember. Oh, the drag. So it shows up somewhere. Yeah, it's like here. But now you gotta fucking run. And the shit is stupid. Jump! Was there anything else? Oh yeah, I could. I'm gonna. No! No! Now I have to get it. Like, what would cause this? Like, I don't know, the battle on the surface, I guess, would cause, like, the fucking ground to quake and destroy, but, like, suspiciously none of the rest of the, like, echo base is broken or destroyed by this. Like, the walls are separated! What do we do? Actually, you know what's neat? This one never moves. I just noticed that as, like, a game mechanic, like, aspect. Like, that one gets farther away. But this one generally always, like, stays in the same spot. Fuck! It's useless! Everything I did was useless! Why? I hate that spot. I hate it. Just go, go. Go, Dash, go! Go! Get over here! I hate that spot. Oh, we got another elevator ride. Let's go! Here we go. Boop! Alright, let's go, baby! Woo! Wrong direction. Oh, no one's there. I'm surprised. Alright, I think we're at the boss.
Hello there.
There he is. Look at him peeking at me, little guy. Wait, I thought there was like another room. I thought... Huh. I always just thought there was another room, or did I miss a room? I don't know. Oh, God. He's gonna wreck us! We're only a human! I'm only human after all. So now... I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on Whoa! Me. Don't put Jump! The blame on me. Jump, you whore! Dash, no! It's not time to fuck around, Dash! Oh my God, he wrecked us! Whoa!
Ultra gay!
Wait, okay, wait. There's a way to, like, adjust your fire. Move forward, up, down, backward, camera forward, blah, 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 blah. Aim. Aim is V. Oh, okay. Like, no, I don't want to mess stuff up. Just get out of here. Default. No. Just. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so wait, V? Where's V? Oh my God, that's gonna be so hard to do. I don't know how to do this. Oh my God, get out of here! Get out! Oh my goodness. I guess I could do this. Ha! Ha ha ha! Ha 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 ha! I can't aim though with the controller. This is so stupid. I'm gonna beat this game without aiming, I suppose. Come on. No! Fuck your jump and dash! Oh no, it's happening again. Wait. I wish upon a star I could use the controller to aim. But I suppose I can't. Ah, no! Oh no, baby. If I could just aim with it. Maybe I'll have to play with this. Wait, there's fire. Okay, mouse is. I might have to switch the keyboard, unfortunately. What's the jump? Oh, no! Okay. Maybe I have to become a keyboard gamer for this. Jump. Forward. Oh my god! I can't. No! We're gonna die! I can't do it. Up is up. Down is down. Oh my goodness. This is brutal! No, dash right now! Control! No! Okay, I can't fuck around. I can't do any damage. It legit doesn't do shit. Oh, this is brutal. Go! Jump, dash! We gotta get rockets! Oh, fuck me. This is not how I wanted to go. You know? Go! Jump, you fucking asshole! Get around! I can't do this anymore! This is... No! No! He blew a fucking box up! No! I have no lives! Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, we gotta do what? Feed? Oh my god, this is so hard. We're done. No! We're not gonna get a game over! It doesn't do nothing! No!
Nobody believes in you. You lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until I win.
We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment down below, please. Thank you.